Good morning. Good morning, students. Today we are going to discuss while situation in German. While situation in German. What happens when two sentences come together, when they are joined together? In English, we say, I am doing this because I have some work. So we have a particular order of sentences. We know the order of the sentence are of the same nature after particular conjunctions, prepositions, kind of. So in German, it is joined by when some conjunctions are joining two sentences. The behavior of the sentence after the conjunction, which comes after the conjunction, the behavior of that sentence changes. For example, I want to say, I must come because he is coming. So we will say in English, I must come because he is coming. English, we are saying that. But in German, what happens is the behavior of the verb changes. It goes to the end of the sentence. For example, if I want to say, I said, I want to come because he is coming. So, ich will kommen, weil kommt. So, here there is no other verb. Let us take one more example. I must come because he is coming today. So, ich muss kommen, weil heute kommt. If you observe here, heute has come before kommt. The conjugated verb kommen, conjugation of kommen has got to the end. Ich muss kommen, weil heute kommt. Kommt is a conjugated verb, just goes to the end. This is the while situation when two sentences are joined together. In the second sentence, which is called as the Nebensatz, the verb conjugated verb goes to the end. Main verb Hauptsatz, conjunction, and then at the end, second sentence mein, the verb will go to the end. Conjugated verb will go to the end. Let us take one more example now. So we will try to understand the patterns here. Most important. Let's try. We learned the first pattern. I want to come because he is coming today. Only one word we have in the second sentence. So common conjugate, okay, has gone to the end. Now we take it with the modal verb. What happens with the modal verb in the second part? I want to learn German because I must work in Germany, for example. I must learn German, or I want to learn German because I want to work in Germany. We have two sentences. I want to work in Germany. I want to learn German because I want to work in Germany. I want to learn German because I want to work in Germany. We say, ich will Deutsch lernen, weil ich in Deutschland arbeiten möchte. Arbeiten will. If you observe, the modal verb will has gone to the end, preceded immediately by the main verb arbeiten, and will has gone to the modal verb will has gone to the end. I hope you understood. Ich will Deutsch lernen, weil ich in Deutschland arbeiten möchte. The word order has changed here in the second sentence. The Nebensatz. The word order has changed. The modal verb, conjugated modal verb, has gone to the end. Immediately preceded before it, there is the main verb arbeiten, and then möchte or will, want. Ich will Deutsch lernen, weil ich in Deutschland arbeiten möchte. Arbeiten will. Let us take an example of present perfect. I can work in Germany. The sentence example I am giving you. I can work in Germany because I have learned German. I can work in Germany because I have learned German. Ich kann in Deutschland arbeiten, weil ich Deutsch gelernt habe. So that habe conjugation, conjugated verb habe has gone to the end, preceded by the perfect form gelernt and habe. This is one of the patterns followed while having the perfect sentence. Two sentence Hauptsatz, Nebensatz. In the Nebensatz, the perfect form has gone to the end. After that, that is the modal haben conjugation, and that's it. तो haben के पहले perfect form, उसके बाद वो haben का conjugation. So we have ich kann in Deutschland arbeiten, weil ich Deutsch gelernt habe. I can work in Germany because I have learned German. See, the word order has changed in the second sentence. Gelernt habe. Now we have discussed normal one verb, modal verb, and then present perfect. Now, in case we have a Trennbares verb, what happens now? I will come because my friend is also coming, or we can say, okay, is also coming. So we say, ich werde kommen, I will come because my friend is coming with me. And I will come because my friend is coming with me. Ich werde kommen, weil mein Freund mitkommt. Trennbares verb, mitkommen. Kommen has got conjugated Mit and kommen have stayed together. Trennbares concept will be is been discussed in the other videos. Mit kommt. Ich werde kommen. I will come because my friend is coming. Ich werde kommen, while mein Freund mitkommt. Okay. This is the case when what happens with the Trennbares verb in a while situation in English. So we say one more example. I will come because my friend also wants to come. Now, just like in the case with modal verb, the Trennbares verb will not get separated. Observe now. Ich werde kommen, weil mein Freund auch mitkommen. Okay, while mein Freund mitkommen möchte. Will. Ich werde kommen because mein Freund mitkommen möchte. The mitkommen has not got conjugated. They have stayed together and not got conjugated because we have a modal verb will, which has gone, conjugated verb has gone to the end as per the while situation concept. Now, we have understood the concept. I've discussed some sentences in this video. Now, if I want to understand which all conjunctions take while, we have when, if, ob, whether. All the W questions will follow the while situation, which will be discussed later in videos when we have time. Then we have thus, DASS, thus, that. Then we have wherein, we have obwohl. Then we have damit. Okay, most of these conjunctions will follow the while situation. Understood the concept? Most important thing is to understand the position of the verb. When two sentences are joined, we consider it a while situation for some conjunctions like while, thus, ob, when, obwohl, wherein, damit, and all the W questions. W question, I just give a fast example. I want to understand, I want to know what you have learned. That is sentence. I'm just demonstrating the while situation with one of the other conjunctions. I want to know what conjunction we take, whether you have learned German, for example. I want to know whether you have learned German. So, ich will wissen, ob du Deutsch gelernt hast. Okay, that hast has gone to the end. This is one of these concepts. While situation, take one more example. I know that ich weiß, dass du sehr gut Deutsch sprichst. Ich weiß, dass du sehr gut Deutsch sprichst. Now, last when we end the video, you have a comma before the conjunction. For example, because while, ich weiß, after that the conjunction will come. Remember that. Ich möchte wissen, ob du Deutsch gelernt hast. So in a while situation, compulsory a comma will come before the conjunction, while, thus, ob, damit, obwohl, so and also on others. So these conjunctions will have a comma before a comma after the Hauptsatz, then the conjunction and the verb at the conjugated verb at the end, which I explained through examples today. I hope you understood and enjoyed the video. It is a very nice concept, something different in German. Okay. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you, Swarup. Thank you, Kunal. Thank you, Hermes Infosoft. Thank you. Vielen Dank.